Okay, I'm back. This mind of mine is gonna get me in trouble. Back to another little segment of this $15 boat. Want to do some upgrades to it. I've been doing some things to it, bringing it back up to a modern, little touch to it. Nothing too fancy. And hey, this is my first time actually restoring or renovating a boat. I won't say restoring because I'm not bringing it back to its original setting or original, 1985. It's 2025 right now, so things have changed. You see some modern boats and you kind of want one, but I do everything on a budget. I do everything, make it look nice. Even my construction company is making dreams affordable, So trying to put this boat together, and see how cheap I can keep this boat and do it. Not make it look cheap, but as far as I'm doing all the labor, so material costs and such. So that's what I mean by cheap on the lower end. Finding sales on certain things, using material that I have left over and stuff like that. So yeah, just I'm putting more labor into it than anything, but it's gonna come out good, guys. And I thank you guys for sticking with me and joining in. But this mind of mine is about to get me in trouble, because now I've been looking for a top for it, like a Bimini or something like that, but not the kind that folds and stuff like that. I wanted a hard top, and I come across a couple. People want, Facebook Marketplace is what gets me in trouble. But people have the right to want and ask what they feel the value is of things, and I don't see the value, especially when I can make one myself for a lot less than what you're asking. So the creative side of Kedrick has jumped off. We're going to fiberglass us some tops and sides, and yes, let's go.
Who'd ever think we'd find a love like this? One that gives me life, equality in all it's given.
It's a matter of truth, nah, it's a matter of proof that life became better, I became better through you. This here is heaven sent, he's giving me my heaven on earth. What a life we're building, baby, look at what we have birthed.
Alright guys, how's it going today? Just another little recap on the $15 boat, $15 investment. I wanted to go ahead and see if this water was going to drain out. Yeah, that's the bottom part that had to pull off and everything. Okay, it's no longer, well, there's a little bit of a drip left. Let's see. That's going to the junkyard tomorrow. So let's see if the engine bay is holding any water. Okay, not as much. I came in earlier and it had a lot more in there. So it has drained out. So that is good. But yeah, guys, if you know anything about the Volvo Penta 260A motors, drop it down in the comments. It starts up, but then it shuts off. I'm not familiar with any. It was a $15 boat. The most I've done so far is gutted it and say what I'm gonna do when I put it back together. But yeah, so let's see if it's holding any water. Nope. That water has left out. So there's the back bedroom. I still got most of it gutted all out and stuff like that. I do have some water coming from down here. That's down. I know about the water that's in here and the water that's in here. And that's because this window is broken and all of the rain comes right through there. And I have a crack up top. This is going to be the L-shaped couch because the fridge is in there. So I have to turn that around. Excuse me. And do an L-shaped couch right there. So let's go up top and show you why. So I've been doing some scraping and stuff like that, sealing of windows, but down over in here is where some of this water wants to come to because it's not draining out. And it's not draining out because you see this? You hear it? Just that little bit was holding this from draining out. Then I got to seal around all along this area. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this off and redo it or even replace it. It has a couple cracks on the side of it. I'm guessing just the weight of the anchor or whatever, but maybe I should throw all of this out. So I'm happy about that. Got all my siding to do still. I'm acting like I don't have a game plan for this motor. I mean, if you guys want to leave comments and stuff like that, that would be awesome. But I already have a game plan. I have someone coming by to take a look at the camper. I meant, no, Jesus, not the camper. At the boat's motor. So once we get that done, then we shall move on to the next area. But I'm not really worried about the motor as of right now. I know it turns over and stuff like that. It just probably be, I know it needs plugs, probably do some maintenance work up on it. But what I do need to do first is I'm gonna have to sand this boat down and start getting to the cosmetics of it and stuff like that. So guys, $15, can you beat this 27-foot mini yacht? Can you guys beat it for $15? A little bit of work, but see all of this water, and I believe I got water trickling down there going inside of here, so that also has to be sealed up as well. I'm gonna pull that. I'm gonna pull this out. I'm gonna pull this out and reseal behind here. Let me get back up in here and see if it is leaking from that spot, because I believe that it did. Took all the chairs and everything from out of here. Okay, let's see. No, it's not really leaking from there, but I think I'm going to still, I think I'm still going to seal that. Yeah. This bay stays fairly unscathed, basically. But yeah, got everything cleaned out. Fridge has to stay, or at least this area, because of the plugs and everything up under there. And then the windshield wiper motor, that went out, so I have to get another one of those. So yeah, but basic cleaning. Don't know where that water is coming from. Got to look into that. But it's in the bathroom. Probably a line needs to be blown out or something, but I'll look into that. But yeah, I also have to get this cover redone that has my lights and tells me the areas of the boat that have issues or things like that. But wipers don't work, panel lights work, the blower works, the pump works, and these lights don't work. The tilt works. Yeah, the trim also works. So I don't know. Not bad of a boat, you know. And I'll say it once again, $15, guys. So this is the $15 boat project, and some say I'm probably in over my head. You know, I had a business partner a while ago tell me, you don't want a boat, they're expensive sinkholes. But you know what? I've always wanted me a nice little boat I could take out for the weekend.